Windows 10 Task View shows you all of your open windows in a permanent view that doesn't disappear until you dismiss it or pick a window to be in the foreground. So as we can see here, I currently have two windows open. I have a Google Chrome window open and I have a Firefox window open. But let's say these were minimized, or even let's say that we have tons of different windows open. We can click this little symbol down here on our taskbar, and when you mouse over it, it's going to say Task View, and it looks like three little windows. So when I click on that, that's going to bring up our task view and show us all the different windows that we currently have open. So as we can see, we have our Google Chrome window and we have our Firefox window. Now to close out of task view, we can either click on this button again to minimize it, or we can go ahead and click on one of these windows to open it up and bring it to the foreground just like that. Something else we can do inside of Windows 10 is open up multiple virtual desktops. Now, virtual desktops are a fantastic way to stay organized. You could, for example, open up 3 different virtual desktops. On the first one, you put your current work project in Microsoft Excel, Word, Adobe Photoshop, and what other software that you are using for work. On your second desktop is where you keep all your communication and daily planning stuff, such as your calendar or your Skype. And then on your third desktop, you could use it as your music player or other distractions like Facebook, YouTube, or a game you like to play. Now, to set up multiple virtual desktops, we are going to go back to the exact same screen that we were just on, which is our task view screen. Now, when I click on that, you are going to notice down here in the bottom right hand corner, we have a button that says New Desktop. And when I click on that, we now all of a sudden have 2 different desktops to choose from. The first one is the one that we were just working on with our Firefox and our Google Chrome. And the second one is a brand new desktop. So when I click on that, that's going to open up a brand new desktop that has 0 windows open. And now we can start fresh by opening up any software, applications, or web browsers that we would like to. If we wanted to set up another virtual desktop, we would just click on the Task View button again and click on a new desktop, just like that. And now we have 3 to choose from, and we can jump back and forth in between our desktops by simply clicking on them just like that. If at any time you would like to close out of a desktop and delete it, just by mousing over it, you are going to notice that we have this little red X here, and we can click on that, and that's going to get rid of that desktop for good and leave us back here with our main desktop that we started with. And that's just how simple it is to use the task view and multiple virtual desktops inside of Windows 10.